Hi, my name is Paula Alejandra Prada. I am from Colombia. I live in Rio Negro, Antioquia. Mm, I was, but I was born in Ibagué, Tolima. I am 25 years old. I live with my husband and my pets, and I study in environmental engineering. I like to watch series on Netflix. I like to read the Bible. I like to eat pizza and fryers. I don't like the liquor. Uh, I don't like to drink liquor. I don't like to drink water. I don't like to exercise. Um, I don't like to run. Mm, I traveled to Guatapé, Antioquia, 2 years ago. I go on a boat in the water dam. I had some lunch with my dad. And we walked around town, and we ate dessert. Mm, I going to travel to Ibagué. I going to my cousin's wedding. I going to visit my family and my friends. I going eat tamal tolimense and empanadas de lechona. And I will, excuse me, I'm going to visit Convema Canyon with Viewpoint. That's it. Thank you.